Hello friends, myself Amar. Now in this video I will discuss another prime faces control which is called as spotlight. Let me show you the output first. As you can see here, this is a panel and this is a button. Now whenever I am clicking on the button, as you can see, this panel is highlighted. This panel gets the spotlight. Okay, how to do this in prime faces, that portion I will discuss. Okay, let me switch to NetBeans. As you can see here, I have created the project named as Spotlight, which has a index.xhtml page, and I am using prime faces 8.0 version. Okay, now inside this index.xhtml I have taken the required prime faces and JSF tags. In the head, in the title, I have given Spotlight. In the body, inside the form tag, I have taken a panel. Okay, and the header of the panel I have given as panel. Okay, and inside this panel I have taken some output labels having the value as a Ripple's code. Okay, after that this panel tag is closed here. After that I have taken a command button having the value as highlight, and in the on click I have written pf spot.show. Now what is this spot? This spot is nothing but the value which we have specified in the widget var of spotlight control provided by prime faces. As you can see, in the spotlight I have written p spotlight. In the target I have specified panel, that is PNL, and in the widget var I have specified spot. This means whenever I will click on this button, at that time this spotlight will be visible. Okay, and this spotlight is targeting panel. Which panel? The panel which we have written here. This means whenever I will click on the button, at that time actually this panel will get the spotlight which is happening here. As you can see, whenever I am clicking here, this panel is getting the spotlight. Okay, this is how we can use spotlight in prime faces, and this is the entire code. Just have a look. Okay, I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.